Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the JBL Go2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, this is the box that it comes in. The product name is written right there. It says 5 hours battery, okay, and dare to listen on the side. If you turn it around at the back, so it has 5 hours of playtime. It's IPX7 waterproof rated, and speakerphone, says it has a speakerphone in it, okay. On the other side it says grab and go. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. Okay. So once you open it up, you get the speaker, and there's another black box. So the speaker itself comes in this little cardboard package and it's wrapped quite nicely. I'll go ahead and open that up. There you go. So there you have it. That is the JBL Go2 Plus speaker. As you can see on the side, under this little protective casing, you have a micro USB charging cable, and you have a 3.5 mm audio jack, okay, and press that in, make sure it's pressed in. On the top are your controls. So you have your power button, you have a Bluetooth button, there's your volume plus minus and a play, and it has four little tiny feet if you're going to place it flat on the table. And what else do you get in the box? So in this little black box, quite tightly packed, I must say, you get a micro USB charging cable, and you get some documents, which is the user manual or the quick start guide. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the JBL Go2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.